here it's a design. Here I will use the result tool. You can write anything, create a design in that way. So let's make the changes there. I will use it, then make a design. Having that structure. So there it is. It's an eraser tool and the transparent over it to cover up that area. I will use that